All right, we're going to talk about area today, and there are a couple of ways that you can find area. Area is just really the space that is covered by an object. So we have a square right here, and when we look at the space that is covered, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 blocks that are covered. That is 4 square units as far as the area. I love it when a regular shape, when you have to find the area for it, because when it's on a grid like this, all you have to do is count the blocks. Look at this one. What would be the area of this? Look at the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 5 square units. Whenever you're finding area, it's going to be in square something. If my block would be, if they would say these are centimeters, then it would be square centimeters. If they would use meters, it would be square meters. If they don't use any term for what they're measuring in, then it's square units. Area is always measured in square units. Sometimes you get shapes that don't perfectly cover the blocks. And we talked about this yesterday. My drawing's pretty poor, so I'm going to try. But sometimes when we get weird shapes, we still have to figure out the area on the inside that's all covered up. So start the same way. You want to do the whole blocks. So when I'm looking at this, I'm like, okay, how many whole blocks are covered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 whole blocks that are covered. But look, over here, I have 1/2 of a block. And I have another 1/2 a block right here. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. So the area of this shape would be 5 plus 1, which is 6 square units. Really, the only trick with this is knowing that sometimes you're going to have 1/2 blocks. Let's do another weird shape. I'm going to try this one. I'm going to count my whole blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have 6 whole blocks, and now I want to look at the halves that are left over. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. I have 1/2 here. I don't have anything else, so I have, see, 6 plus 1 equals 7, and now I have my leftover half, 7.5 square units. That's how you can find area. You can count the whole blocks, or you count the, if it's a strange shape, count the wholes, and then add the halves. And then that way, you'll find out the area that is covered. I'm going to show you another way that we can find area as well.